and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? Hope you all are fine, doing very good in your life. Back again guys with a new video, some amazing ideas about wooden projects. Hope you guys like my videos, enjoy my videos. I always to try best designing and new styling to show you guys. In this video you can see wooden different amazing ideas. I hope you guys like my video, my dear ladies and dear women. If you are new, I request you, please guys, subscribe my channel, and also guys, like my video. My dear ladies and dear women, wooden work is the skill of making items from wood. This is amazing skill, and there are many type of projects you can make, like furniture. You can make furniture like cabinets, kitchen holding items, tables, chairs, center tables, dining tables, doors, windows, different sign. You can make a wooden sign for your office, for your home, for your room. You can make boxes, you can make holders like candle holders, like brush holders, spoon holders, and so many different holders. Also you can make picture frame and different frame ideas from wood, different wall decor items, different hanging planters, and outdoor planters from wood. You can make bird houses, you can make planters, you can make art, and some garden items in wood. You can sell your wooden projects online or marketplaces like AliExpress, Amazon, and so many online websites. You can also sell them at local markets, farmers markets, and different shopping malls. So wooden work is a activity, and if you are interested to see more videos, if you are interested to see more ideas and more style, don't forget to subscribe my channel guys. I request all of you, don't skip my video. Also guys, you have to try so many different things up from wood, and in this video you can see so many different ideas, so many different designing, different decor pieces, wall decoration ideas, planter style, and some holders designs, and so many different planters. And I hope you guys enjoy this type of wooden ideas and wooden style things. And I request you guys, please visit my channel. You can see different amazing ideas, style, and designs. I hope you guys enjoy these amazing videos, ideas, and style. We will be right back with another amazing designs, with another amazing style. Keep spotting me and do subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoy this lovely, pretty, and nice ideas and style. Thank you so much guys for watching my new video. Also guys, if you are interested to see more videos, please guys tell me in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoy these beautiful ideas and new wooden crafts ideas and style. And thank you very much guys. Thank you so much for watching my new videos and new style and new designs. So keep spotting me guys, and do subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoy and like my video.